Thank you. We love you for that. You are a rock star as always. You win hearts. वो आजकल बहुत कम है लोगों में यहाँ पर वो नहीं करते. So आपने thank you so much. Another takeaway and learning from the man himself. I would like to ask, what can we expect, Jackie sir, with you from Hello Charlie?
It's got my childhood out. In fact, I've been watching all the little clips. It takes me back to school, before school, when you're a little child. It's so pretty, the film. I'm so happy to be associated with these. I really thank you. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
made it
For the
happen.
honor.
Yeah,
We have the best.
you in the film.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. It's what I've learned from you guys. What you've done out here, I haven't done for 4 decades, like he says.
Thank you.
It's really fun. Shloka.
Thank you. Shloka,
Yes.
what about you? What do you want to tell the audience?
I want to tell them this film is very close to my heart. It's my first film, and this has been a childhood dream of mine. And working with Pankaj sir, Aadar, Jackie sir, Elnaz, Rajpal sir, I mean, it was a fabulous opportunity and a fun ride. I got to learn so much in my first film, and you're going to love it because it's all heart, it's innocence, there's laughter, there's everything in the movie, and I think everyone is going to just love it.
Yo.
Especially the kids.
Thank
so
you.
yes.
Elnaz.
Yeah, for me it's also very special because I've never done comedy before. So going from all the serious stuff to a little comedy, which is cool, I think, because I know whoever knows me and my social media knows I'm pretty crazy that way, and I can be funny. So I'm excited to show that now that I can do that too. And it was a lot of fun shooting it because, you know, when you read the script and you're like, okay, oh, there's a gorilla, you don't know how the shoot is going to be. So, and on top of it, we shot everything outside. Nothing was in a studio or something. So it was a mad ride, literally, and you will see it in the film. So everybody keeps saying the children are going to love it, which I'm sure of, but honestly, I've been telling Sir also, I don't really laugh much when I watch movies because I'm like, okay, yeah, well, that's supposed to be funny. But in this film, I laughed so much myself. I'm not saying it because it's my film, I'm saying it because it's funny. So I think everybody is going to love it.
So we are looking forward to the mad avatars that all of you have in the film. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Come in, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, and I request you please take the hot seat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Hot?
so much.
It's hot?
Right there. When you sit there, of course it's going to be a hot seat, right?
Now.
Yeah. Thank you so much for joining us. And as they said, you know, I've been saying fun ride. She said it's going to be.
तोतो रुको क्या कर रहा है तोतो ओ हाय गाइस हाय अरे कंट्रोल तोतो सिट बॉय सिट सबको नमस्ते करो डू नमस्ते गुड बॉय
Hello, Charlie. How are you? Thank you so much for joining us.
Sachin
Radha,
bhai.
thank you. It's a pleasure to have you here.
थैंक यू सो मच
What's up? Good to see you.
And I have to say first I'm very sorry that we were a bit delayed. We were in a theme park because this naughty boy couldn't control himself. But हम finally आ गए हैं. हमारा trailer launch है. We could never miss it for the world. And we're both excited. Aren't you excited, Toto? Good boy.
He is absolutely a good boy. And Toto, I think now Toto would want to rest because he's panting, and I'm sure he wants to rest. If you, Charlie.
केला खाओगे? Okay, go backstage. Go.
Oh yes, we've got a stock of bananas right there at the backstage. Backstage, all please give way. Thank
Bye,
you so
Toto.
much. Thank you. Ada, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so
And,
much. Thank you. Hi guys.
Thank you for bringing. Let's have a huge round of applause for Ada. Thank you. And thank you for bringing Toto too.
Of course.
Yeah, so we've already got a glimpse of as to what the madness is, but you want to tell us a little more about what the madness is going to unfold on the 9th of April.
Oh, Hello Charlie is a film that's very special to all of us, the entire cast and crew. It's something we worked very hard on. प्यार से मेहनत से हमने इस फिल्म को बनाई है, and it's a fun-filled adventure comedy, and I promise that ये फिल्म आपको हंसाएगी, मुस्कुराएगी और भरपूर entertain करेगी.
We're looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Ada.
Thank you so much,
and
man.
I request you to please join the hot seat.
Hot seat?
Which is
Okay.
already hot
Okay.
because of all the hot individuals who are sitting on that chair. So thank you. All right. Now that we've got Ada, we've got Charlie, we've got Toto, we've got the entire makers, the crew of Hello Charlie. Everybody, please, the cast, thank you so much. All right, starting with Vijay sir. What do you have to say regarding the collaboration between Excel Entertainment and Amazon Prime Video that it is bringing us films from different genres, so many different genres.
Look, one of the things that we've really respect Excel for is their focus on creating multiple themes and stories. You know, not just on the film side, but we have a very deep relationship with them across formats, including shows. And just the sheer variety that they're able to bring means that they have a very collaborative, creative ecosystem that gives voices to different kinds of storytellers. And it's really amazing to see their body of work over time. And that proof is out there for everyone. I think, for me personally, what's always stood out is Ritesh's ability to take risks and back genres that we know inherently will be loved, but at the face of it, you know, everybody kind of shies away from. If you look at the work they've done with Fukre, for example, or more recently, Gully Boy, when you look back, you say, wow, great film, amazing entertainers, really funny and all of that. But when you actually put them together, not too many people have the vision that he does to back this. Again, I go back to my earlier comment. I was part of the early script, and I haven't laughed that loudly, and you saw just a glimpse of it. This is I think 2 minutes of a promise of about 2 hours of madness. You know, so hats off to him, yeah. You know, to be able to back that, because in these kind of things, it's really the story, you know, that makes a great film. And I think I'm very proud on behalf of Amazon Prime Video to be presenting this to the world.
Thank you for giving us some crazy content every time. Thank you. Thank you so much. And we're getting to the visionary, as you said, the man has a vision, and the visionary.
The visionary is there. The writer, director.
How did this, Ritesh sir, come to life? The concept of Hello Charlie.
You know, I think it's Pankaj a few years ago had come up with this story. He's written it, he's directed this film, and he narrated this story to us. And I remember from that first narration, you know, it's very rarely do you go through a script where, you know, you'll have some changes. So there were minute changes and suggestions because it's a collaborative effort. But I insisted that every time he does a change, I want the narration. Because I was enjoying the narration, I had to make him start from the beginning. And poor guy, I think must have just to me and Farhani must have done some 40 or 50 narrations, at least minimum. So I think that's the problem. But I think it was something where, you know, you could relate to immediately. The minute he narrated, you're talking of a person, you know, is trying to escape the country in disguise of a gorilla. It sounds crazy. And you find this simpleton who's, you know, been entrusted with this job of taking him from Mumbai to Diu. So it was going to be a fun ride. But I think what we were very clear on is if you're bringing this, you know, onto a film and it's, you know, you're going to take it to a different level, then you need to find the right gorilla, right? So we started researching, and I think Pankaj very early went off to the US. He, you know, wanted to meet up with the team there. So we were very clear, if you're going to make this for the Indian audience, you have to do it on a way that, because they're obviously exposed to seeing films from around the world, right? So we were fortunate that we could find the right team, bring them down. There's the same team which had worked on Planet of the Apes. So we, you know, did that. So we said it had to be something different, because it's a simple story. It is funny, you can watch it with the whole family, but there are great moments in it. It's endearing. So, I mean, to do that, what was going to be different? So I think that was the toughest task of getting a gorilla in, and obviously you have some great actors, you know, who come in and complete those characters which was written by him. So overall, I think that's how it all just worked out, you know.
We want to deep down a little, you know, deep dive a little more into it, that how come one and only Toto? Like, how did this?
This is, again, here. I think he wrote it. I think this was all conceived by him. So I think the credit lies with the writer-director right here.
What about you, sir? कैसे ये ज़हन में आया कि Toto एक gorilla? How will we come up with this character?
इतना ही कहूँगा कि मेरे कई जोड़ी जूते घिस गए कई प्रोड्यूसर्स के पास जाते जाते, तो मुझे हर जगह से भगा दिया जाता था. बोलते थे ये क्या गोरिल्ला वोरिल्ला लेके आए हो, ऐसी फिल्में चलती नहीं है, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. Till finally everybody used to call me mad. He said this kind of stuff won't work in India. Till I met someone who was madder than me, and they said, man, wow, this is it. So, and then on and thereon, and it's been a long journey, but thanks to Excel, they are fantastic producers. They go all out, and they go right till the end. which Ritesh did, and he sent me to LA. We found the gorilla, and it was a long process, but he stood by me all along. I mean,
So as he said, wow, I've got somebody madder and we've got something crazier. We're looking forward to it. And thank you for bringing that. But how was the entire journey, kaisa raha safar to direct the whole film?
it was tough. It was tough because we were shooting outdoors, and it's a road film. So almost everything was done outside Bombay. So traveling with the crew, with the truck, with the gorilla, with other, it was very hot and it was difficult. But yes, we pulled it through. Plus, we did a lot of patchwork. We kept coming back and forth, and then the pandemic happened. So I mean, it's been tough. But I'm glad we are here today.
And we are glad too, because we want a breather. We want to, break from this whole. We want a laughter ride, and this is after a very long time. We're looking.
Yeah,
for
I'm hoping it brings some relief.
Yes,
to the otherwise.
absolutely.
Yeah.
2 मिनट में हमको तो बहुत रिलीफ मिला यहाँ पर. 2 घंटे में तो यकीनन मजा आने वाला है.
मुझे भी ऐसे ही लग रहा है.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Adar,
Yes.
you're the closest to Toto. तुमने जो हमारे साथ मस्ती की है आज, थीम पार्क में मजे करके आए हो और फिल्म में भी पूरे तुमने शूटिंग के दौरान जो मजे किए हैं. Can you tell us a bit about the camaraderie, the chemistry between you and Toto?
Well, I think we can all agree that the gorilla, Toto, is just very, very cute and very fun, loving. I'm a big animal lover, and what better co-star to have than an animal, a gorilla, a really sweet one, that too. He's amazing. We have an amazing bond on and off screen, and I have to say that it's been such a lovely, different experience for me to shoot this time with a gorilla. And I think we've seen a lot of jodis on screen, romantic jodis, but it's the first time you're going to see a jodi between a boy and a gorilla. And choti muh badi baat, but hopefully this will go down in history as one of those famous jodis. I hope so.
So romance, bromance, gromance.
बहुत bromance, बहुत gomance.
Gomance, yeah.
Definitely, definitely.
Thank you, Jackie sir. From 4 decades, you've given us some of the best and won our hearts. So thank you so much for your contribution and entertaining us throughout.
Thank you for watching me.
And how was the entertainment on the sets with 2 different eras coming together?
Full power. It's like when you दो current मिलता है तो बहुत charge हो जाता है, negative positive. तो energy बच्चे लोग में बहुत था, तो वो energy खा रहा था. और director sir is like a child himself. I think it's really funny, and I wish we could have, at least I could have done a little bit like how he wanted. But I tried to give as much as I could. 40 साल कर रहे, इतनी चमड़ियाँ चढ़ गई है, वो सब निकाल के उसको दूसरा चमड़ी लगाने का तो मुश्किल था. मगर जिस तरह से बोला जानवरों के साथ खेलना मुश्किल होता है, तो हम जैसे गधों के साथ खेलना भी बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. He tried his best, and I think he's made a super film. He is a fantastic director, writer, no doubt about it. He's done many comedy shows before that. And then look at the cast and look at the team. Look at the guy with big heart out there. Yeah, come on, go where you want, make the film. Look at Amazon. Amazons are rocking. They want to give different genres all the time. I think it's a win-win for me. I just have to hang around, be sincere about my job, be disciplined, listen to my director, look around at these young talent. So beautiful, superb. You're so endearing, you both of you. Really, my love. As much as I love Toto, I love you two so much. You come out so beautifully, kids. I swear to God, there's nothing. I need nothing from nobody. You're brilliant, both of you, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Director Saab, and then you have such a glam. In that gorilla type of film, na thoda khoobsurati bhi to bhai, chehra bhi mashallah. Do hamare khoobsurat ladies, they've rocked. She's fantastic. Well, what to say? Just look at her, and I don't want to say much.
Thank you.
You're wonderful, lady.
Thank
you
you.
acted beautifully. You look lovely.
Thank
he
you.
handled you beautifully too.
Yes,
And I'm happy that I worked with you.
Yes, me too.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thanks, guys, for being there. Not that we can see anything out there. चश्मे से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, दिख ही नहीं रहा है. पहली बार जब शूटिंग किया था हीरो का, तो ऐसे 16 रिफ्लेक्टर मुंह पे मारे थे, आंख खुल नहीं रहा था. बोले अरे आंख तो खोल. मरहूम माशाल्लाह हमारे डांस डायरेक्टर सुभाष जी ने बोला नहीं ऐसे ही रहना. सो ऐसे ही रहा, ऐसे ही. मगर इतना क्यों मार रहे भाई? कम दिखाई दे रहा है क्या सबको? Enjoying the film, just rock with the film. मेरा बचपना बाहर आ गया देखकर, जो मैंने देखा. मैं चाहता हूँ कि सबका बचपन बाहर आएगा.
Thank you, Jackie sir. Thank you so much. And हमने आपके हर किरदार को बहुत प्यार किया है. you've done justice to it, and we're looking forward to this one as well. So thank you.
Thank you
so
so
much,
much,
sir.
Sachin.
Shloka,
Yes.
tell us a bit about your character. Elaborate a little what your character is all about in this.
My character is all heart. She's feisty, just like me in real life. So I think the casting was perfect, bang on. I just had to play a rural version of myself, so I was very lucky in that sense. And she's full heart, all out there to save and be with her Charlie, and it's great. It's a wonderful, wonderful journey of this girl. I don't want to reveal much because, you know, and the trailer didn't reveal much either. I want everyone to see the film. But it definitely shows a different side of me. And I get to dance, which is my forte. So I'm fortunate enough to have that song in the film. So I hope everyone likes it. And I'm just blessed to be here. And I'm very fortunate that Pankaj sir has given me this opportunity and Excel supported that. So, yes, that's it. Thank you.
All the best, and I would say Charlie Shloka. Yeah, all the best. to you. Thank you. Elnaz.
Charlie's Angel.
Yeah, that's the reason I made it to Charlie
Angel.
Shloka.
Charlie's Angel.
Elnaz,
Elnaz, how was your experience? Some fun anecdote. We want to know the full musty because you said you're completely mad on
Yeah.
social media. What was the fun element that happened on the set while
Oh.
shooting the entire film?
Oh, listen. There are a lot of funny things that happen on set, but I guess the most fun factor was for us that we didn't know how it's going to be shooting with the gorilla. I mean, I don't know about the rest of the people, but when I landed on set and it was so hard, you know? We just didn't think that. And I don't know if the producers knew or not, but so much work was there for everyone behind the scenes. You're just thinking, okay, we're going to have a gorilla in there, but you don't know.
when you wear that, you know it.
Yeah.
You guys didn't wear it. Right?
I mean, I was wearing, you
I
will
did.
see, in the film, mostly I'm wearing that, the leather jacket, you remember? And I was dying in the heat. And constantly I was thinking, this poor guy in this gorilla suit, like, how is he even alive yet, you know? So we were facing all of this, but then still it went so well. We had so much fun. I remember Sir used to, in the middle of shots, he used to play Iranian songs, like newly released Iranian songs. And I'd be like, how do you even know these things, you know? So we had a lot of fun. All these things happened and it was nice. It was just great.
Crazy. Thank you. Thank you so much. And as you mentioned that, yes, it is a task for that heat to manage and still pull it off. And all of you have done a wonderful job.
Yes.
That we've seen got a glimpse in the trailer. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Now with that, हमने camaraderie, chemistry Toto की देख ली है, पर we want with Charlie, but we want to see with the entire makers, the crew. So why don't we get Toto back on stage? क्योंकि ये बंदर जो है गाएगा भी, नाचेगा भी, हंसाएगा भी, सब कुछ कराएगा.
सुपरस्टार है.
तो बुलाया जाए प्लीज.
100%.
बुला लो यार, तुम्हारा यार है तो टोटो को
ओ
बुला लो.
तो
Himesh from Pink Villa wants to ask a question, who's joined us here. So Himesh, if you could hand over the mic to Himesh. Hi Himesh. Hi.
Hi. Hi Adar, over here straight.
Hi.
Firstly, the trailer looks funny, really funny.
Thank you so much.
My question to you is, this is an adventure comedy and you had to be with the gorilla all through the film. What was your prep like?
What was the prep like?
Yeah.
Well, the prep for the film, as you know, like any other film, you prep for your character. You do script readings, you do workshops with the director. But I think Pankaj sir never wanted us to really, feel rehearsed on set. As you know, comedy is very spontaneous. It's all about acting and reacting and being in the moment. So he said, "Ke, आपका performance को इतना rehearse मत बनाओ. So just come on set and enjoy." And we have a gorilla who's so loving and he's amazing on set to be with, basically. And he's very responsive to anything that you do. So it made everyone's job easier, I think. I can speak for everyone. Preparations were that. I am also driving a truck in the film, so I had to learn how to drive a truck, learn how to drive a scooter, which I've never done before. So that was also really, really interesting. And like I said earlier, I love animals, so just being with an animal was very, very easy for me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you Himesh for your question. Next question, I think Amit Chati from Aaj Tak. Did I say that right? Amit from Aaj Tak. Is Amit here?
Yes.
Hi,
जैकी
Amit.
सर, या जैकी सर, आपका मुझे आपकी एक फिल्म याद आ गई, किंग अंकल. आपने एक फिल्म की थी बहुत साल पहले बच्चों की. सो यू हैव डन फ्रॉम हीरो टू विलन, ऑल काइंड ऑफ रोल्स, बट एक फैमिली फिल्म होती है, बच्चों के लिए ऑडियंस होता है. सो हाउ वाज इट you know, creating this whole family entertainer, you know, amidst the loads of work, loads of films that you have done. कितना मुश्किल है, कितना आसान होता है ऐसी फिल्म जो बहुत सिंपल होती है, जिसका एम सिर्फ हंसाना होता है.
हंसाना एम सबसे मुश्किल होता है दोस्त, रुलाना आसान होता है. मगर ऐसे डायरेक्टर्स हों तो आसान हो जाता है काम, ऐसे लेखक हो तो काम आसान हो जाता है. मैं कुछ इतना गुणकार नहीं हूँ, मगर ऐसे लोग होते हैं तो उनको मैं समझता हूँ. तो बड़ा आसान कर देते हैं ये लोग. और इस पिक्चर में काम करने का मुझे पहले जब इन्होंने कहा कि कहानी बताई उन्होंने, तो मुझे तो लग गया कि बच्चा और पूरे परिवार की पिक्चर है, पारिवारिक फिल्म है. मैं घुस गया आंख बंद करके, और फिर सुना कि रितेश है, तो मेरे को क्या फिक्र है. मैं तो फ्लो कर रहा हूँ बॉस, टाइड के साथ. ले रहे इन लोग, संभाल रहे इन लोग, मैं अपनी सिंसियरिटी दे रहा हूँ. और मेरा बचपना जो इन्होंने निकालने की कोशिश की, उसमें नहीं, कैरेक्टर में नहीं, जब देखने में, तो आई थिंक यू रियली ब्रिलियंट बॉय.
थैंक यू सर.
सिंसियरली माई ब्रदर. कुछ लेना देना नहीं, आगे लेना ले, तो भारी है.
Thank you, Amit, for your question. Thank you so much. And now let's hop to the virtual world and the friends who've joined us from the online world as well. We've got a question here from Rama from Asian Age, and the question is for Shloka.
Okay.
With Hello Charlie, you are foraying into Bollywood. What are you looking forward to the most?
I mean, I just want everyone to love me and give me a warm welcome. That's what any newcomer would want. That's all I really want, and I just want to entertain everybody and do good work and create good content, and that's what I look forward to doing. That's my aim, so definitely that, yeah.
She said that she wants everybody to love her, right?
Yes, please!
Hold on. I love you. All the best. All the best to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And all right, there's another question coming in from the virtual space, which is from Priyanka from Indian Express, and it's for Ritesh sir. As Hello Charlie releases under the banner of Excel Entertainment, what made you say yes to this film? Also, we would like to know what goes in your mind while selecting scripts like these.
Okay. What made us say yes to the film is like any other film, it's the script. And like we do with most, I think, I mean, whatever genre of film you do, there's not, you know, like I said, like in Excel, we have various films, various genres, right? But as long as you identify with it, as long as you relate, there's some way of an emotional connect, whether it's with the humor, it's with the action, it's anything. You know, and as long as you identify and you're willing to go on to that journey, is what we look for. So I think that happened on Hello Charlie as well. You know, we related to it, we identified with it, we thought this does lend itself of becoming into a visually engaging film. And that's what we wanted to do with it. So I think, and whatever we choose, I mean, these are the stories we want to tell, and it all stems down to one thing: is just be 100% honest with it. That if you identify with it and you relate to it, you'll be able to convince a billion other people to feel the same. So that it just comes from that.
Connect is the key, and we've already connected to it, so thank you. Next question is coming from the online world, which is from Divya Solagama from Bollywood Spy. It's for Elnaz. And the question is, as we have seen in the trailer, you have an interesting pairing, Jackie Shroff. Please tell us, how was it working with him in this film?
Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, as I said, it was a lot of fun. I have a lot of BTS of us doing crazy stuff on set. He's a lot of fun to work with, you know. We all had so much of fun with him cracking jokes and doing the funny things that he always does on set. And I am very, very fortunate and lucky to be able to work with Sir. I mean, I was like over the moon when I got to know that he's going to be in the film. Yeah, I was honestly. I was very happy. I was like, okay. So, yeah, and as I said, with the Iranian songs, we had a lot more fun. I was like, oh my God, he listens to the songs I listen to. That's cool. Yeah, it was beautiful. Beautiful experience with each one of them. Not only with Sir, with each one of them. It was so much fun. Me and Shloka bonded so well.
Yes.
And I loved seeing how Adar has just become this great actor in this film. It's incredible.
Nice to see.
Seriously, everything was beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And thank you, Divya, for your question. And we've got another question here from Pooja Samant from Lokmat. Hi, Pooja.
Oh.
Can I request a volunteer to please hand over the mic?
Hi everyone. I
Hello,
congratulate each and every one of you. The trailer is very interesting, very funny, and I completely trust this is a very family entertainer film. Everyone should like and will like it. My question is to Adar. Adar, do you think this is your relaunch film? And my second question is, do you feel pressure being Kapoor and Jains?
Ma'am, to answer your first question, I only look at this as my second film. I don't know about a relaunch or anything. I am very, very happy to be associating and collaborating with Excel Entertainment and Ritesh sir and Farhan sir. I've loved all their films, right from Dil Chahta Hai to Hello Charlie. And I'm very grateful for this opportunity, and I'm grateful for Pankaj sir to have given me this opportunity. I'm working with such an excellent cast. Amazon, sir, you've also come in, and it's great. I couldn't have asked for anything better. It's an amazing film. It really touches people. It's made to make you feel happy and spread happiness in a time of such stress. So that's our aim with this movie. And to answer your second question, ma'am, no, I don't feel any pressure of being part of a Kapoor family or a Jain family. I'm here. I understand that my family has achieved a lot. They've been contributing for the last 75 years, and I'm very proud of everything that they've achieved. And at the same time, I don't want to be known as Raj Kapoor's grandson. I want to be known for being Adar Jain. I want to create my own identity. I want to do good films, do different characters, and just keep improving with every film that I do. And so yeah, I feel like instead of this outside pressure, I put self-imposed pressure to do better and better. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja, for your question. And मैं कहूँगा कि मेरा आदर आपके लिए और भी बढ़ गया है because you're so grounded when you speak. So,
thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for being you. Thank you. And next question is from Raj from ABP. Is Raj here? Hi, Raj. Can I request the volunteers to please hand over the mic to Raj? Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, Raj Dikshit here from ABP News. Congratulations for such an amazing promo. विजय जी, आपसे मेरा सवाल है, आज की तारीख में जितने भी OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं वो मोस्टली क्राइम बेस्ड स्टोरीज बता रहे हैं. इस कहानी को लेकर आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हैं? बिकॉज जब ये रिलीज़ हो रही है इसके एक दिन पहले और सेम डे आपका कंपटीशन कुछ और स्टोरीज से है और ये काफ़ी अलग है, एंटरटेनिंग है, तो कितने कॉन्फिडेंट आप हैं?
बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हैं हम. शुरुआत से हमने अमेज़ॉन प्राइम वीडियो पे कॉमेडी पे काफ़ी ज़ोर दिया है. सो दिस इज़ नॉट द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट इन दैट जॉनर. अगर आप देखेंगे तो हमारे काफ़ी शोज़ हैं कॉमेडी स्पेस में, स्टैंड अप स्पेशल्स हैं, अलग अलग पिक्चरें भी हैं. भले वो इंटरनेशनल हो, लोकल हो, उससे हम कोई मायना नहीं रखते क्योंकि हमको पता है कि कॉमेडी इज़ एवरग्रीन. तो वी आर वेरी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर फिल्म. आई एम ऑल्सो इक्वली कॉन्फिडेंट दैट द मूवी इन इट्स सक्सेस, एंड सक्सेस इज समथिंग दैट यू विल ऑल सी वेरी होपफुली वेरी सून, encourages more people to write comedy. फिलहाल पिक्चरें नहीं बनती हैं कॉमेडी में ज़्यादातर, and I'm very confident that once we premiere this to the world, a lot of more fresh comedy ideas will take center stage. So we're very excited, and I think it's important to recognize that the thing about comedy is twofold. One is it appeals to everyone, and the other is just the repeat value. It remains endless. You can go back to watching it again and again. You can see parts of it. You can go and see certain scenes or dialogues, and the beauty about Prime Video is it allows you to do all of that. So I'm pretty sure this film is going to have a lot of catchphrases come out of it, and I'm hoping again that through the success of Hello Charlie, the ecosystem is energized enough to put out more comedy scripts.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Raj, for your question. And we also have Ruchita from TOI who has a question. Ruchita? Is Ruchita here?
Hi, how are you all? I'm Ruchita from TOI. Firstly, Adar, congratulations. The trailer is really very nice. So how did you come on board for the film?
How do I?
In a suit?
Well, actually, I met Ritesh sir in 2018, and I think at that time, he had spoken to me about this film that he was developing, And I found it very, very interesting. And he wanted to see a screen test. He wanted me to audition for the film to see if I suit the role, suit the part. And I gave an audition. And then I think about 2 or 3 months later, that's when Pankaj sir called me and he narrated the entire script to me. And he said that I can't say what he said, but he said that you suit the part and you have that simplicity and that innocence that we're looking for in the boy. So I think that's how it all happened. And we did a lot of workshops, we did a lot of readings of the script, and that's how the film happened for me. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Ruchita, for your question. Thank you so much, and I think that's all the time we have for Q&A. I know a lot of questions will be there, but apologize because time constraint. And thank you to all the friends from the virtual world who've joined us in, all the friends from the media. Thank you for joining us. And now it's the all-important moment to capture this moment of Hello Charlie's entire team. Can I request you all to please step forward for a photo op? And in the meantime, can I request you guys to clear the stools, please? Thank you.